Man, I can't wait for that first tomato. Summer is so awesome. Well, it's early spring, and I cannot wait for tomatoes.
Yep, first day of spring. It won't be long before that first BLT hits my taste buds.
Summer's here, and I can't wait for that first BLT. I'll eat a beefsteak tomato in the middle of summer with a little cottage cheese, a little salt and pepper for every meal for about 2 or 3 days. God, I love fresh tomatoes. Yeah, but now I got like about 120 to 150 of them, and I need to get rid of them. God, I'm sick of tomatoes. My digestive tract is like a fast food ketchup pump right now. Hey kids, you want around 200 tomatoes? I can be of service to you. It's good vandalizing ammo. And I know that old man Dickerson down there at the end of the street has been giving you guys some trouble. Old man Dickerson. You got another thing coming. Let's just let them rot on the vine. I mean, yeah, thanks, Larry. I'll have my burger medium well. That's fine. Just lettuce, maybe a little onion. No tomato, please. No. Your wife, just have no. No, listen to me, I don't want tomato. Just put the tomato down on the platter. I know it took you like all day to do this. I'm admiring your wife's tomato plants there. Very bushy and huge. Big. No, fine, thank you. A group of tall, bushy tomato plants do not know the meaning of the word moderation. They bring on the bushels, bitches, whether you like it or not. To remove the skin from the tomato, just roast it in the oven for about 10 minutes at 375 degrees. Should come right off. I make a slight attempt at crimping my crust, but I'm not Martha Stewart. I do not care what the crust looks like, and I'm certainly not hosting a bridal shower. Brush the crust lightly with egg wash and put it in a 375-degree oven for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. The holes allow steam to escape so big bubbles don't form, breaking the crust apart and making it ugly. Or uglier than mine. Throughout this whole process, you want to drain the tomatoes as much as possible. You don't want a soggy crust, so you par bake the crust. It's also called blind baking. I say tomato, and you say tomato, you say tomato, and I say, hey kids, you want some tomatoes to tomato bomb old Dickerson's house? Hey, would you care for a tomato? They're really good. I just have like about 100 to 120 of them. Take these tomatoes. Here, take the tomatoes. Just take 10. Take 5. Just take 5? Want 5? Come on, man. Take just one tomato. Oh yeah, just one tomato. Just take it. Take the damn tomato. This almost tastes like a deep dish pizza.